When it comes to installing your wood stove, not everybody chooses DuraVent's DuraBlack Single-wall or DVL Double-wall. The third option in the marketplace is Snap-Lock. Very common product sold in the marketplace, sold almost everywhere you can possibly buy a stove. Well, the only way you're going to be able to hook Snap-Lock to DuraVent's DuraPlus chimney system is through a specific part. The specific part is this. This is actually a Snap-Lock adapter. This goes into the bottom of the ceiling support box or into the wall thimble and is the transition point between black pipe and chimney. This particular product can be used with anybody's Snap-Lock in the market. All you do is adhere 3 screws to it and go on your way. This product is sold in some of our kits. It is also sold individually.